Hurricanes, fires, tornadoes, and other natural disasters can have devastating impacts on communities. The immediate aftermath can be overwhelming, but SWCA provides a comprehensive approach to the unexpected challenges our clients face. Receiving federal funds for climate-driven services poses a wide variety of challenges and complicated regulations. SWCA specializes in compliance. We do it well, we make it simple. SWCA assists in navigating the maze of federal environmental regulations, including those required under the Stafford Act and through grants from the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Department of Housing and Urban Development, and other agencies. We provide support so your community can begin to recover without delay and to build the resilient infrastructure and housing needed to better prepare for a future disaster. With offices throughout the United States, we can customize our services to client needs and can easily assemble resources from our entire firm, so we provide you with the numbers of staff and particular specialists required for your unique projects. Our specialists extend across all of our services that could be needed for your community project to be permitted by federal and state agencies. National Environmental Policy Act planners, NEPA. All federally funded projects must comply with NEPA, which dictates which of the dozens of other regulations and acts must be followed. SWCA has one of the largest dedicated teams of NEPA planners in the country. Fire planning specialists. Drought and wildfires are increasing in intensity and expanding into new areas. SWCA staff have 2 decades of experience in wildfire science to create customized recovery and resilience plans for communities. Watershed and wetland scientists. Approaching water as a natural resource, our scientists conduct detailed investigations of aquatic habitats to identify sensitive areas and develop comprehensive management plans. We work with the United States Army Corps of Engineers and other agencies to have these plans approved for your project. Stream restoration engineers. SWCA's dedicated ecological restoration and engineering team designs, permits, and builds environmental restoration projects. Nature-based solutions are viewed positively by funding agencies and restore healthy ecosystems for wildlife, fisheries, and recreational benefits for people and the environment. Threatened and endangered species specialists. Our biologists use scientific and technical tools to identify protected land and aquatic species and their habitats. SWCA then develops comprehensive management plans that ensure compliance with all federal and state regulations. Archaeologists. Indigenous and historic cultural sites are protected by federal regulations. SWCA's archaeologists work closely with state and federal regulators to design effective research and mitigation plans, as well as conducting the indigenous tribal outreach that is required. Architectural historians. All buildings and structures, such as bridges that are over 50 years old in a project area, can need documentation to verify they are not eligible for listing in the National Register of Historic Places. SWCA's architectural historians can provide that documentation and help negotiate project plans with agencies if necessary. Geologists. Through geological mapping and assessments, SWCA determines the impact your project may have on geologic features and then develops a realistic mitigation plan. We are one of the few firms holding a U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service scientific permit for specialized cave ecological studies. We provide on-the-ground and regulatory support for state and local governments, private companies, nonprofits, and individuals. Anyone needing environmental expertise that will enable them to move forward in their disaster recovery. SWCA was founded over 40 years ago to provide clients with creative solutions to their compliance needs, grounded in sound scientific data that agencies respect. It has grown from one man to an employee-owned company with over 1,200 dedicated scientists throughout the United States who hold firm to that commitment. If you need help in tackling complicated environmental issues, SWCA will be there for you.